Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a developer, student, or someone who wants to build apps, host website, and experiment with cloud server without spending a time, you are in right place. Today I am going to show you how to get $300 of free cloud credit on Vultr and how to use it i- i- how to use it to spin up real server deployed apps and learn modern cloud tech for free. So stick around. First thing first, what exactly is Vultr? Vultr is a cloud hosting provider that lets you launch virtual servers, storage, database, and more, all running on powerful hardware and global data centers. You can deploy servers in under a minute and choose from a bunch of locations around the world. It's similar like DigitalOcean, AWS Lightshell, or Linode, but known for the simplicity, fast SSD performance, and affordable plans. Now, the existing part, getting $300 credit free to use on Vultr. Right now, Vultr is offering new user up to $300 worth of free credit that you can use to pay for any product, virtual private servers, storage, bandwidth, everything. The promo is meant that new accounts only. Only you will usually need to add a valid payment method like card or PayPal as verification. But you don't need to pay until your credits are used up. How it works? Go to vultr.com and click sign up. Open your any web browser and search Vultr, and you will get a link like that or like this. Just visit the vultr.com and you need to be just come on for free account and just go to above, click on sign up. And cookie policy, I will select I understand. Okay, let's create a account first. I'll use Google to create a free account. I need to be click on agreement, and then I will use my Google account to create the account. Use your own account. Okay, your free account is created, and now this is your dashboard. You need to be added your payment details to get your 300 USD free to deploy any applications. So for this, you need to be go to the you need to be come over here and fill the all names, and you will get a apply coupon ahead $300. Let me fill my card here. For your $300 credit, you can launch multiple VPS server, host websites or web apps, experiment with Kubernetes clusters, try storage service like object storage, build game servers, learn cloud networking and server management. And since credit usually about 30 days after activation, you can try a lot of without paying anything. Before you claim the credit, keep this in mind. Only new account are eligible. Credit may expire if unused after a set of time. Once your free credit is gone, regular billing is takes. Don't leave server running if you are not using them. They will burn through credit fast. For developers like us, this is gold. Normally cloud hosting costs money every month, but with 300 credit you can test real infrastructure, learn DevOps skills, host apps, or prototype your next big idea without spending a single dollar. If this video helped you, hit like button and subscribe for more tech tips, tutorial and cloud hacks. I will also drop a guide soon showing how to deploy your first app on Vultr step by step. So stay tuned. Comment below what project you want to build in your free credit. I would love to hear your ideas. Catch you in the next one.